Cardinal Crew. I'm Jaime with the Gateman Group, and we're here on National Tacky Sweater Day to host a wonderful open house at 12731 Summerhouse Lane. Come on in and let's show you around and hope we meet some cool people today. Oh boy, the first person's here. Hi.
I'm here for the open house,
Okay.
and I saw your newspaper was in the yard.
Okay, thank you.
I just wanted you to know that it was there.
Are you here to see the house, or?
Yes! That's why I'm here.
Great. What's your name, sir?
Just call me Theodore T. Grinch.
Okay, Grinch. I'm Jaime. Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Are you in the market for a home?
Yes.
Okay, great. Well, let's take a look around and see what you think. All right, Grinch. Well, come on in. Let's take a look at the upstairs, okay?
Sounds
There's
good.
a really nice master bedroom up here.
Aha!
Yeah. So, do you live around here, Grinch?
No, I live out in the mountains. Specifically, Mount Crumpet.
Ah, yes. I'm not familiar with that area, but
Lots of dumping out there.
Lots of what?
Dumping.
Dumping. All right, Grinch. Well, I mean, are you married? Do you have a wife or
No.
any pets?
Have you seen this?
I mean, I didn't want to assume.
Well, I have a dog named Max.
Great. Okay, so to bathe your dog, there's a really nice big bathtub here.
Oh, wow.
It's a soaking tub, but you could also put Max in there and.
Max! Now you won't smell like garbage.
Okay, so what do you think of the master bathroom?
It's wonderful.
Great. Do you think
My annual shower can be held in there.
your annual shower?
Well,
Only one a year?
I mean, when you're feeling bougie. Usually it's once every 2.
So as you can see, there are 3 additional bedrooms up here. Do you need any extra space than that for you
No,
and your
just
dog?
me, Max, and my garbage.
And your garbage.
Yes.
Okay, so 2 extra rooms for garbage. We've got one right here, which has a lot of nice light. This might be good for the garbage.
It's perfect.
Great. And then
Nice windows, the garbage can get nice and hot.
wonderful.
My favorite smell.
And then the 2 bedrooms down on this end.
I'll go look.
Do you ever do laundry, Grinch?
Laundry, what's that?
Okay, never mind. Well, for anyone else who cares, the laundry is up on this level and really easy access to the bedrooms, but I'm sure that's not important to you. Okay.
Hello, neighbors! Ah! An activity table.
Yes. What do you think you would use this for?
Most likely slithering practice.
Grinch, do you ever like to have a fire?
Yes.
You do? Well, this is a full gas fireplace. Very easy to use, and there's a nice, cozy, really creepy ambiance to your house.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And then, if you like to cook, do you cook?
No, I eat things raw.
Like what?
Onions.
Stunnings. Okay. Well, if you ever decide to cook your onions, in here we have all your kitchen appliances, nice counter space. You could do slithering practice on this island. I think it would be perfect. And then
Excellent.
look at the backyard. Do you have kids?
I look like I have kids.
I mean, what about Cindy? You know, Cindy, Boo-hoo,
Maybe she can cook.
ringing a bell. She might like this, you know, to slide and.
She gives me heart issues, though.
Well, I mean, that is the problem with kids sometimes. Yeah, but anywho, get it? Anywho. Hey Grinch, do you like to spend time outdoors at all? Or?
Of course I do.
Okay, well, you got this nice big back deck on this house and a beautiful backyard. In the summertime, you'll have lots of privacy. I'm sure you like privacy.
Of course.
I mean, you hate people, right?
The worst.
So, you know, once all your leaves grow in, you're going to have tons of privacy. You won't see any of your neighbors.
Excellent.
Yes, and then you can stand out here and eat your onions. thank you so much for coming by today.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, I hope I didn't offend you with my Christmas attire. I know you hate Christmas, so.
I can't stop it from coming.
You can't.
So, embrace.
Maybe you can get yourself your own Christmas gift this year. Are you thinking about making an offer on this house?
Yes!
Great! What do you have planned for the rest of the day?
Count my garbage, neglect Max, plot destruction.
Very good. That sounds like a good plan.
Yes.
Yes, well, I think you should get right to it.
I will!
Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. And
Goodbye!
I'll look forward to seeing that offer from you.
You shall.
Wonderful. All right, guys. Well, if the Grinch's offer doesn't come through and his lending with the Bank of Whoville doesn't get approved, you guys can bring your family home to this house for Christmas as well. So give us a call at 804 New Home. We would love to have you stop by and take a look. It's a wonderful house, very spacious, like the Grinch said. Great bedroom size, tons of natural light, and it's Grinch approved. So come take a look, give us a call. Happy holidays, and we'll see you later. Bye. I don't know where the Grinch is. I've been looking all over the house for him. He's been here for like 15 minutes. Oh my God!
I like that, neighbors.